Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to sine u. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine u du. Next, I will put this one to change for s and s. The s we change by this one. Arc sine of sine u, you got about u. Now, I will put about 2 over 2 because we have the formula in here. 2 sine A cosine A equals to sine 2A. So, we see that number 2 sine u cosine u. Now we can change into sine 2u. Next, I need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 1 over 2 u. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have dt equals to du over 2. dv we have sine 2u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 2 cosine 2u. So we have t multiplied by v, so we have negative 1 over 4 u cosine 2u minus we have dt multiplied by v, but we have negative 1 over 2 and we have another number 2 in here, so you got about positive 1 over 4, and we have the integration cosine 2u du. The integration of cosine 2u, we have negative 1 over 2 1 over 2 sine 2u, and I will put about c in here. So 1 over 4 1 over 2, that is about 1 over 8. About u, that is about this one. So we got about u equal to arc sine of s, and I will put this one to change for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.